5 days. 5 teams involved here. A reminder, don't go anywhere after this one. We'll have Nicaragua and Guyana squaring off in their first game. Fires in July. Games are so important. Can't drop one. You can feel the intensity rise. How does Costa Rica now respond after that big play by Rogers? It's Anderson at the top of the key. Bailey on the dribble. Crossing over. Asking for it back. Bailey wants it. He feels it. Takes the jumper. Rolls it in. Joel. Anderson for 3 and the tie. No good. Conejo. Ball tapped up. And Jamaica squeezes. The foul is there on Foster. For Jamaica. His first free throw was pure. Give him 11 on the evening. Foster, 5-point lead now for Jamaica. Boy, Heartbreak City if you are Costa Rica. Costa Rica to see they get some point differential on their side. Stand up for 3. Got it! As the buzzer goes. Jamaica victorious. Squeezing one out, 69-67 over Costa Rica.